for the newest face of Viva Beauty's VB. Let's all welcome Angela Muji. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Angela Muji. Angela, you may say a few words to our audience today.
First of all, I would like to thank everyone who came here today and showed their support to me. I've always loved beauty products ever since I was young, so this is such a big dream come true for me. Thank you so much for joining me.
Alright, and of course, thank you, Miss Sydney. Would you like a photo with Angela? Sige po, please stay there in the center. O, diba sabi ko sa inyo may logo na si Viva Beauty ngayon. Okay, congratulations po, Angela. Marami tayong aabangan. Of course, now we will jump into our press conference. We will open the floor to our dear friends from the press. Thank you so much, Angela. You may now take your seats. Okay, simulan po natin, of course, with none other than June Laling from Abante.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Angela. It's nice to see you here. Is this your first endorsement?
Yes po, from Viva, it's my first endorsement po.
So, never ka ba nakagawa ng anything? Kasi sabi mo from Viva.
Yes po, usually collaborations po. Yung last collaborations ko po with Techno and also with 7-Eleven. But from Viva, this is my first endorsement po.
Yeah. So, hindi ka ito basta call up with the endorsement. So, gaano ka-excited with this, kumbaga bago to sa buhay mo bilang artista?
I'm super excited because, as I mentioned before, mahilig po talaga ako sa mga makeup, sa skincare products, and matagal ko na rin po pinapangarap na mag-endorse ng isang beauty product, and I'm glad that it's with Viva Beauty.
Yeah. At syempre, no, hindi rin naman kasi matatawarin yung kasakatan mo na kasi sa mga shows nyo, like yung sa inyo ni Robin, di ba? Yung seducing. Tapos you're doing a World Walk Boy, tama no?
Yes po.
Nung una sabi kasi naka-lacking kayo, pero ngayon hindi na, no? Tapos na yung sa Taal nyo, ngayon nagsushoot na kayo sa iba't ibang lugar, like nasa Tanay kayo the other day, tama?
Yes po, Tanay.
How was it?
It was so fun. First time ko rin po mag-lock-in taping, and kakaiba po siya kasi almost every day you're working and mas focused ka po talaga, hindi ka na-distract sa ibang bagay. And kasi rin po sa Taal, fresh yung food, fresh yung hangin, and somehow, even though it's work, it's also like parang bonding na rin with the people you work with.
Pero syempre, out of town yan. Minsan, madalas mga sa labas yung shoot nyo, di ba? Nakakatulong ba ang Viva Beauty na to, yung products mo, yung BB na yan, para maprotektahan ka from, kasi madalas maaraw din eh. May mga times ang umuulan pero hindi kayo shoot sa labas, pero pag nasa labas kayo, yung maaraw sabi ni Director Santo eh. So, malaking tulong.
Malaking tulong naman po siya. One product that I use from Viva Beauty is yung cushion po ng The Lab by Black 2. It's a 3-in-1 product. It's makeup, it's skincare, and sunscreen. So natural lang po yung finish niya. Nagagamit ko rin po siya sa baby. Maganda po.
Yan, may sunscreen na siyang kasama.
Yes po, SPF 50 from Nancy.
I'm sorry?
SPF 50 po.
Malaking tulong, di ba?
Yes.
Lalo na po kung outside yung mga shoot mo, di ba?
Halo-halo po kasi minsan outdoor, minsan indoor.
So pag gamit mo siya, anong reaction ni Robin? Napupuri niya ba yung skin mo?
Kasi po yung makeup ko po sa Our Wolf Boy is very natural since it's set back in the 70s. So sobrang light po ng makeup ko, and minsan po nasasabi ni Robin, bakit po na sa'yo light yung makeup?
Talaga? Anong nararamdaman pag pinapansin niya?
Siyempre po, flattered po ako. Tapos, siyempre, sabi ko, di na. Pero nagte-thank you naman.
Yeah, thank you. Pero eto, tanungin ko rin yung mga taga Viva Beauty, no? Sino ba yung sumagot?
Miss Cindy over here, Sir June.
Ay, oo. Siyempre, iba, tatanungin, bakit si Angela ang napili niyo for this product po?
Sir, kasi Angela has that vibrant look. At saka palagi siyang energetic. And then of course, she's a fast rising star. So dahil brand new yung product, brand new din, gusto din namin parang fresh face. Something that most young girls and her age can relate to. So it's more of yung ugali ho din niya kasi napakasayahin itong batang to. So whatever it is na i-throw talaga sa kanya, she's very positive with the way she answers on all the situations that she faces.
Yeah, very vibrant ka daw, energetic, and positive.
It's very positive.
Yan din ba napansin sa'yo ni yan din ba napansin sa'yo ni Robin?
Yeah. I don't know what to say kasi Robin naman po kasi he's always making fun and everyone. Nagka-compliment siya sa lahat ng tao. And yun din po, kina-compliment na rin naman po ako sometimes. Siyempre po, nagpapakipot. So, like, ready na.
Tama, no? Si Robin is also with Viva Beauty. Tama, di ba?
Yes.
May pabango ba? Ano yung endorsement?
Well, si Robin is currently our ambassador for Bin Perfumes at saka yung green flavonoid po ng The Lab by Black Do, which is a Korean brand. At the same time, he has 3 already perfumes for Viva Beauty. Tsaka meron din siya lip balm. Yes.
Yeah.
So they're both actually like the young stars now of Viva are growing with us when it comes to beauty products.
Yeah, nakakatuwa magkasama sa isang endorsement, isang produkto, brand,
Yes.
Angela and Robin.
Yes,
diba? So napag-uusapan nyo ang Viva Beauty?
Yes po, when I told him na I'll be endorsing Viva Beauty, he was very happy for me naman po.
At least magkasama kayo sa isang brand, di ba?
Yes po.
Pero yan, congratulations!
Thank you so much po.
And syempre good luck din sa launching movie nyo, di ba? Naka 9 days na kayo, no? Tama?
Yes, 9 days na po.
Kailan ang show nyo?
Next shoot po, wala ko po kasi binibigay na schedule.
Kasi hindi na yung tapos na yung lock-in nyo dun sa Takal. Ngayon, iba-ibang lugar na yan. And congrats! And good luck! Yeah, bye-bye!
Okay, maraming salamat po, Sir June. I love how updated you are with the shooting schedule din, and the location, bongga. Alright, moving on now. Let's hear from Random Republica. We have Miss Kate Adahan.
Hi, good afternoon, Angela. Nabanggit mo kanina na bata pa lang mahilig ka na sa pagpapaganda. What kind of joy does it give you? And sino yung naging influence mo?
I think my number one influence when it comes to beauty and fashion is my mom because she used to be a fashion designer and also a makeup artist. And mahilig din po ako sumali sa pageants ng bata ko. So, bata pa lang po talaga ako, mahilig na ako magpa-makeup, kikay po talaga ako. And I started doing my own makeup when I was 12 years old. Sobrang fascinated po talaga ako sa makeup products and how it can change one look to another. Sobrang versatile po kasi niya. I just love how it makes me confident po.
And striking sa makeup look mo ngayon, yung blush, any makeup hacks or tricks na pwede mong i-share sa amin, sa fans mo?
This is something I've learned and this is something you can do with our Vivi products. We have a cream blush and also a liquid blush. Is yung layering blush. You take 2 shades of blush and you use it on the outer and the inner part of your cheeks para seamless lang siya and flushed yung look na natural po.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Alright, okay. I'm sure marami nag-note down ng hack na yan. Maraming salamat. Angela, now moving on to our friend from TikTok, of course, Miss Aster Amoyo.
Thank you. Angela, medyo curious lang ako sa screen name mo. Is that your real name? Muji?
Yes po. There is actually quite a funny story about it. My full name is Maria Angela Cecilia Muji with an H instead
It's
of a J.
Muji, not Muji.
Yes, but
Okay.
I chose Muji because growing up, I was always bonding with my cousins from Mindoro and Marinduque, and their last names were Mujet and Muji with a J. And I've always liked their names better than the H, So sabi ko, once I get the chance to get a screen name, I'm definitely gonna borrow your last names. But yeah, sa family po namin, yung J.E. and J.I. is isa lang po.
Akala ko tuloy meron kang Japanese father or relative.
Wala naman.
Wala naman. Sinabi mo kasi sinabi mo earlier na 12 years old, may pagkakikay ka na, ang hilig-hilig mo na sa mga makeup.
Yes po.
Kung bubuksan, kung magkakaroon ng instant bag raid ngayon, anong laman ng bag mo?
Meron po, of course, hindi mawala yung lip tint, and then hindi rin po mawala yung pabango, yung handkerchief, toothbrush, toothpaste, toothbrush, jewelry, and charger, and wallet din.
Yung products ng VD meron?
Yes po. Yung lip tint po, yung lip cream.
Ay, yun. Okay. Sa dinami-dami kasi ng talents ng Viva, kanina tinanong ni June Laling, yung marketing head, kung of all the talents or young talents ng Viva, why you? So, ibig lang sabihin, there's something special in you. So, bakit kaya ikaw ang pinili at ano kaya ang meron ka na ikaw ang mag-isang single out to be an endorser ng VB products?
For me, I think it's my love for beauty po talaga. I think they notice na, oh, this girl, she really loves makeup and she's passionate about it. And I think I'm always thankful po to Viva for giving me this opportunity. And I think also one reason is because yun nga po yung na-mention nila na bagay po yung product dito sa personality ko po.
Lastly, kasi last week lang nag-attend, was it last week or early this week, nag-attend din kami ng press con kay ni Robin. My question is, saan level na ang pagkakaibigan niyo ni Robin?
We're very close friends naman po talaga. Ever since nag-start yung Seducing Great Fama, we got to know each other better. And nasa point na kami na parang kakamday kita, ganyan, I'm always here for you. So if there's something bothering you, you can always tell me. And I think I consider him as one of my close friends po.
I don't know kung aware ka, kasi nung pinakita yung teaser, di ba nandyan kayo, nakahilig ka kasi sa kanya eh. So parang there's something special na going on between the two of you. Kaya tinanong kita kung saan level na kayo.
Ako naman po, I'm not against the idea if some kind of love or attraction blossoms between the two of us. Pero I made it clear between him and I na mas i-prioritize po namin yung career namin. Because yun po yung, ito na po kami, ito yung matagal namin pinaghirapan and we don't really wanna ruin what we have right now. So we don't wanna risk it.
Alright, thank you so much. And of
Thank you
course,
so much.
congratulations to you, Angela, and sa inyong upcoming movie. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Tita Aster. Grabe sumagot, no? Parang beauty queen, ano? Talagang so poised and prim. Alright, now, moving on to Bandera. We have Irvin Santiago.
Hi Angela, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Tanong ko lang kasi di ba sabi mo nga masayahin ka, lagi ka nakatawa. May moments ba na medyo nadadown ka rin or medyo may bad hair days ka? And paano mo hinahandle yun?
I admit na there are, actually recently, madalas na medyo nadadown ako. And that's because of outside noise na I try to stay away from. Pero nakakarating pa rin siya kahit iniiwasan ko. So how I handle that is I accept it na I'm not okay. And that's okay. Sabi nga ni Robin, okay, pag tinanggap mo na hindi ka okay, mas madali kang makarecover from that. And I always try to remind myself na mas importante yung mga taong nagsusuporta sa akin behind the scenes.
Yung fans mo.
Opo, and of course po yung tiwalang binigay sa akin ng Viva. And sabi nga po sa akin, lahat naniniwala sa'yo. So kailangan ikaw din maniwala sa sa'yo.
Ayun. Paano mo pinahalagahan, Angela, yung mga fans mo na mula nung nagsimula ka hanggang ngayon nakasuporta pa rin sa'yo?
Ako po, always grateful po ako for my angels, my loves na hindi ako iniwan since day one. Na lagi ko po silang in-remind na love ko sila by random tweets like, I love you, and love you. I always remind them na to spread happiness and kindness towards everyone.
Tapos, follow-up ko lang doon sa mga tanong nila Tita Astor about Robin. Sinong mas maalaga sa inyo ni Robin? Ikaw o siya?
Feeling ko po siya.
Paano kanya inaalagaan, Angela? Lalo na kapag may taping kayo, lalo na doon sa lock-in sa Batangas.
First day po namin doon sa lock-in, wala pa po kaming taping. Parang nagsisettle pa lang po kami sa hotel, ganyan. And then, he has a car but I didn't bring one, so nakakapunta siya when he needs to run some errands or kailangan bumili sa 7-Eleven. And then, he asked me, may kailangan ka ba? Ganyan. Sabi ko, kahit ano lang, isang chips lang or snacks lang. Tapos pagdating niya, may isa na siyang buong bag full of chips. So, ang sweet lang po, and I found it really touching na hindi ko naman in-ask for that money, but he still gave it to me without me having to ask him. And then, during taping naman po, is that he's naturally a gentleman. So, nasa outdoors po kami, may exterior, so there's the rain. And then, he would, assist me pag hindi ako nadulas. And he would always hold my hand. Sabihin sa akin, ito blocking mo. And he really helps me with my blockings kasi hindi pa rin ako sanay kung saan yung camera. Tinutulungan niya po. Tulungan po kami.
Last na lang, bilang endorser ng VB, ano yung message mo dun sa mga kababaihan or yung mga kabataan na nawawala na ng confidence sa sarili nila?
Hello, baby girls. I just want to tell you na I've been there. To be honest, growing up, I have been bullied for my looks, for not having eyebrows, for being too thin, and I just want you to know na people's opinions about you don't matter because at the end of the day, kung ano yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, yun yung nagmamahal. So just stay strong and believe in yourself.
Alright, maraming salamat. We've seen a few tears that have been shed over there on that side. Okay, maraming salamat, Sir Irvin. Now moving on to the Manila Bulletin. Let's hear from Robert Requentina.
Thank you, Phoebe. And first, congratulations. Thank you pala sa Angelic Space for being so generous sa chocolates. Ang sarap pa. Sa ulitin. Thank you. So, Angela, you mentioned about your insecurities kanina. So, how confident are you ngayon in terms of your looks?
I've learned to love myself for how I look like, and I understand that my face is the result of endless people who love each other. Kaya, who am I to judge how I look? Kasi ito yung binigay ni Lord, so dapat tanggapin ko. And right now, I'm very confident. Also with the help of Vivi, making sure that I look pretty every day.
In line with the VB campaign na being positive, so how do you keep yourself positive?
Actually, mahirap siyang gawin. Madali siyang sabihin, stay positive, stay positive. Pero with everything that's happening right now, mahirap talaga. But I just find inner strength. And nakakatulong din po talaga yung mga taong nagsusuporta to always remind me na you can do it. So, yan po.
So, name 3 celebrities or stars na para sa iyo ay napakaganda.
Name any celebrities that are
Tatlo.
pretty. First po is my childhood idol po talaga, si Sarah G. And then si Catherine and si Nadine. Yung growing up, sila po yung dalawang idol ko po talaga.
And then last question. So choose among the 3. Ito tinanong ko sa mga Viva Stars. So hindi pa yata tatanong sa ito. Choose one. The most richest, the most beautiful, or the smartest, and why?
Sorry, what are the choices again?
Pinaka-smart,
No, smart.
pinaka-maganda, or pinaka-mayaman? If you were to have one of these.
The qualities, feeling ko po is yung smarts. Because nowadays, it's so easy to enhance how you look like, and madali lang din po tanggapin yung sarili mo when you're smart, when you have the wisdom to know that everything else matters above looks.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Bakit ako ay choose richest? Kaya talagang pag Good answer. Mali yung Alright, thank you so much. Great question. Maraming salamat po. Next, moving on to Manila Standard, we have Jasper Valdez.
Hello, Angela. Congratulations on your endorsement. Kanina na-mention na pati si Rabin, endorser din ng mga products under Viva Beauty. And ngayon, ikaw na endorser ka na din. Anong masasabi mo na yung beauty space or yung beauty market ay mas inclusive na ngayon na kahit sino pwede na gumamit ng skincare products, ng beauty products, na hindi na siya nakakahon sa gender?
Ako naman po, it's a great deal that people are accepting cosmetics now openly compared to before. Kasi that's what cosmetics are for, is for everyone naman. Hindi siya pumipili lang, para dito ka lang, dito ka lang. It's not for a certain type of person only. It caters to everyone. And I'm so happy that we are all accepting this and uplifting each other with cosmetics such as Viva Beauty po.
Sa lahat ng produkto ng beauty, ano yung pinaka-paborito mo? And bakit yun yung paborito mo?
One of my favorite beauty products from Viva Beauty is yung the Labay Blanc Duna Skincare line. And also, of course, the newest Vivi products as well. Ang favorite ko po is yung lip gloss, yung lip oil, and yung cheek tints. Liquid cheek.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much. And last but not least, pakinggan natin from Lionheart TV, we have Richard Paglikawan.
Thanks, Vivi. Hello, Angela. Congratulations sa endorsement. So, yung first question ko is, how do you define true beauty in today's social media-driven world? And how do you handle beauty standards and online pressure about appearances?
Oh, I think that's a very timely
His beauty
question.
queen ka.
Yeah, kasi nakaka-relate po ako sa second question. Pero for the first question, sorry, I forgot again.
How do you define true beauty in today's social media-driven world?
I think true beauty is inwards. Kumbaga, inner siya. When you're pretty, physically, but ang pangit naman ng ugali mo, or hindi ka marunong makisama sa ibang tao, for me, you don't look that pretty. For me, mas nagmamatter po yung ugali ng isang tao, more than physical appearances. And as for the second question, it used to get to me, the comments, the bashing, but I keep reminding myself na tanggap ko nga yung sarili ko, and this is how I was born, this is how God made me, and I'm perfect just the way I am. Yan.
And since last question naman, how do you balance looking good for your work, and feeling good for yourself?
I don't know if it's just me, pero kapag naka-makeup ako, nakaayos ako, and I look at the mirror, mas mataas yung self-esteem ko, mas confident ako, and I feel beautiful inside and I feel good.
Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Happy.
Thank you. Okay, and that wraps up our press conference for today. But